All right, so I was going to make a motivational preppy video to make you feel excited to get started wholesaling real estate, but there's less than 4 months left in the year. For most people, you've done nothing all year. You've been trying to wholesale real estate, nothing's happened. And you're wondering why you haven't become successful in wholesaling. Why haven't you gotten your first wholesale deal? Why are you still stuck in this hamster wheel trying to become successful wholesaling real estate? Well, let me just tell you the truth. It's fine. You aren't doing enough. And, if I could behind the screen just slap you a couple times and tell you, hey, get a hold of yourself, dude. Start getting rich. Start getting leads. Start building a business. Start becoming successful wholesaling real estate. I would, but here's the problem. I'm here in my high horse, all rich, successful, multimillionaire through wholesaling real estate, and you're broke. And the answer is you need to absolutely lock in. There is no other options. There is no other choice. Guys, life is fleeting away. It is only getting harder and harder and harder for you to get into wholesaling real estate. Why is that? Because your life is just going to keep happening. You're going to get married, you're going to have kids, and life's going to get more and more difficult. Inflation is going to get harder and harder. Real estate's just going to keep going up in value, which technically makes it harder to a point to get lowball offers. Wholesaling is only going to get harder in the future than when it is today. Right now is the easiest time it is ever going to be in your entire life to get started wholesaling real estate. And the truth is, you've been slacking. The best time to get into wholesaling was probably 4 to 5 years ago. Guess what? I got wholesaling started 10 years ago. You probably would have been better 10 years, but you're still here. But we can't go back in time. I'm telling you right now, in 10 years from now, wholesaling's probably going to get harder. Just telling you the truth. And so you need to start now. And again, I don't think you understand. You hear that coming? Like, do you see the AI coming? Like, a lot of people think AI is, it's this big scary thing, and it's not going to be that bad. No, AI is going to be pretty bad. The AI robots are coming. It's going to get insane. We don't know what's going to happen. Like, I'm telling you right now, you do not know what in the world's going to happen. I heard this quote the other day, and it was really awesome. And a lot of people have this fear of the future and the unknown. And it's like a bird doesn't go on a branch because it trusts it. It goes on a branch because it trusts its wings. And you got to understand that the future is extremely uncertain right now with AI. And the only thing that I know for a complete fact is you're going to be able to wholesale real estate in 10 years and AI is not going to be a problem. Everyone's saying, oh, exactly, these AI closers, or what's the point of wholesaling if these AI robots can close sellers? Guys, that's not going to happen. Their government's going to go out here and regulate AI cold calling, AI closing. You have to disclose you're using AI or talking to an AI robot. And no one's going to do that, right? The whole economy with AI is coming with trust. And when you have robots with AI talking to you, you don't have that trust factor. And that's the thing that's human. Wholesaling real estate's fine. They regulate real estate enough. We're chill. The National Association of Realtors, I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I know for a fact they're going to stop AI agents from listing properties. I got no problem with that, right? But what I am telling you is everything else in the economy is going to be destroyed by AI. If you don't think that they are going to just start with the AI truck drivers, like that's over. Like the truck driving done. Graphic designers, we're already seeing that happen. You are seeing more and more and more AI is creeping in and getting worse and worse and worse in your life. And it's going to start taking away jobs. And this is going to cause a massive issue. And I'm just going to tell you the truth. When AI goes out here and disrupts a lot of jobs and a lot of people become unemployed, they're all going to get into wholesaling real estate. Just telling you the truth. And I truly believe wholesaling real estate is immune to this whole AI thing. Now, of course, this can be affected, but AI robots are not going to start wholesaling houses, right? Here's the problem. You are going to be stuck when there's a massive, massive amount of people who are unemployed. And they're all going to want to make money in any industry where it doesn't cost a lot of money, but you can make a lot of money. And unfortunately, real estate's going to be one of those options. And it's going to get flooded pretty dang quick. Now, I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know when there's going to be massive unemployment with AI, but the statistics are pretty dang alarming. Just going to be honest with you. And so I do believe there's going to be a massive wave of wholesalers coming in the industry with AI. Now, again, I'm not Nostradamus. I'm not this massive predictor that knows everything, but I do know there's going to be more and more people displaced with AI with their, white collar jobs. Everyone thought it was going to be blue collar jobs. Really, it's white collar jobs being disrupted a lot. I know personally somebody, I'm not going to say who, but they were fired because AI replaced them. That's why I'm making this message. Like it's coming. You got to be ready. And I feel so many wholesalers just are not ready. They don't have this urgency that a huge, huge shift is happening. And you might not see it, but I can feel it. And the way I feel like this is probably 5-10 years from now. It's not now, but I think about it a lot. AI truck drivers, graphic designers are like, those are the first ones that are just boom, boom, done, get done, gone, right? But financial advisors, like guys, like if you're a financial advisor, boom, job done. Like the AI advisor is going to tell you not to sell or panic sell based on a stock chart. Not going to be fun. Day traders, good luck with that one. AI systems already in there, but like, guys, a lot of these white collar jobs, blue collar jobs too, it's going to be tough. And like COVID, when a lot of people were displaced with their jobs, they all ran into wholesaling real estate. I was here when everyone got into wholesaling real estate. I was wholesaling 5 or 6 years before that. And the amount of people flooding into it and the amount of saturation was crazy. Now, a lot of those would-be wholesalers are kind of gone, and we're still making a lot of money. Great. We've got a lot of wholesalers. It's not as saturated as it used to be, but that wave's going to come, and it's going to be worse than COVID. I'm just telling you right now, because these are going to be people in person that like, it's not that I'm stuck at home. It's I have to do this. And you don't have much time. And this is why when that happens, you better already have the systems in place. You already hopefully had 5 or 6 deals under your belt. You've actually know what you're doing. And then you're able to scale out and actually win and JV with these people and have a success. But if you're just sitting here right now, just, okay, guys, you have to go all out. Like wholesaling real estate is the key to financial freedom. It is your success. And it is never going to be easier than it is today. Like just pull a list, any government list. These are motivated people. These people that have to sell their house. Just talk to them. Guys, I'm literally begging you. Just pull a tax delinquent list. Skip trace on X leads. Call them. Text them. Put a sticky note on their door. I don't think I'm asking for much. Pre-foreclosures, auctions, it's happening. Guys, the motivation from the sellers from the government data is, I'm seeing there's more and more of this happening now than ever before. And there's more opportunity for you to get started wholesaling real estate, making money. But the problem is you're squandering this opportunity. It's a little bit more work. I get it. Pulling a government list or, cold calling or texting. But I'm telling you that the extra mile is pretty empty here. But you just got to start. I see so many people just sit on the sidelines that they put an hour or two into it, but they don't stay consistent and go do it. Guys, there's a massive tsunami coming. There's a massive wave coming. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know exactly how it's going to unfold. Probably some crazy government intervention. But AI is going to have a massive disruption. We're kind of at a spot now where the LLMs or like these ChatGPT bots, they're all digital. But once Tesla, which is working on their Optimus robots, I don't think a lot of people understand this. Once the AI gets physical, because AI right now is all digital. Like AI is digital. It is digital. Like ChatGPT, boom, 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 digital, right? But literally, look at these Tesla robots. It is turning physical. Like a robot with AI connected with Starlink, so it doesn't need internet, and it's connected to an AI system, to a data center. It's going to start getting physical soon. And once AI starts getting physical, that's when your jobs are going to happen. Because I'll just be real with you. Corporations and companies, LLCs, right? They're the evil, the devil horn type company, right? They care about shareholder profits. They care about shareholder value. And I promise you, I know you love your job. I know working at Enterprise Rent-A-Car is awesome. But the absolute moment, I cannot stress this enough, the moment that they could replace you, like a car detailer, with an AI robot that is half the price, that doesn't have HR, that doesn't have insurance, that doesn't file workers' comp, that works 24/7. Once that happens, you're not going to have a job anymore. You work at Walmart, at loss prevention, they're going to AI scan and they're going to put flock cameras inside those stores. They're going to know exactly if you stole or not. It's going to be pretty easy too. You got to understand that the AI realm is getting physical now. These AI flock cameras were a pretty big like pushback in society, but they're happening everywhere. The city of Dallas is putting 100 AI cameras on sanitation trucks for code violations. So I'm actually very bullish on code violations, but the AI is slowly turning physical. And this is going to have a massive change in today's society. Again, I'm not telling you how it's going to perfectly unfold, but I know when the AI turns physical for a lot of jobs, things are going to happen. And it's going to get crazy. Now, again, me as a wholesaler that runs the largest wholesaling course in community for Wholesaling.com, great. More wholesalers, more JV opportunities, awesome. But it's going to be a lot of foreclosures happening. A lot of people losing. They got to do it slowly. I don't know how this is going to roll out. Foreclosures up 20%. I mean, guys, between you and me, of course, I own a lot of real estate, own millions of dollars of real estate. And obviously, I don't want those property values to go down. I don't see property values going down, but foreclosures going up doesn't really affect me. I make money wholesaling when prices go up or down. It don't matter. Like, guys, if a house is worth 200 grand and next year it's worth 100 grand, I'm going to lock it up for 80, sell it for 100. I'm going to lock it up for 180, sell it for 200. I don't really care. I'm day trading the house. You know, I don't really care about wholesaling, about the price. Oh, real estate's going to crash it. Fine. I mean, guys, the best day traders happen when markets crash, right? Volatility is great for day trading. So you got to understand here that AI is turning physical, and this is going to have a massive effect on society. And it's going to cause a lot of unemployment, I believe, and a lot of things happening. Now, Elon Musk thinks there's going to be unemployment, but they're not going to have to work because we're going to have like everyone gets paid and goods. Who knows? But I know people personally being fired because of AI, and I feel like it's going to be a wave. I'm seeing it happen in real time. I'm seeing these Tesla robots being deployed and being used, and it's only going to get crazier. And honestly, I didn't really believe all this stuff until I saw the start, because these AI robots have to be connected to the internet, right, to the data center. And it's Starlink has perfect, I don't know if you ever use Starlink, it has perfect internet anywhere in the world. So now the data center has that. It's going to get crazy. And this is an opportunity. I don't know where this is going to lead, but I know right now this is the best time to just stack your money and get ready. Again, I'm not being Mr. Doomsday. I don't think the world's going to end. I don't think this is going to change, your life's not going to be over because of this, okay? The government will do what they're going to do. But I am telling you that there's going to be massive disruption. And I believe with that disruption, a lot of people are going to get into wholesaling real estate in the coming years. And because of this, you are going to have a more saturated wholesaling market. And you should wholesale real estate now before that happens. So when you become successful, you can JV with those people that come in, and then you can make even more money. Simple as that. That's all I'm explaining. I'm not trying to be all scary. I'm not trying to be all doom and gloom. I'm just trying to explain to you that this is going to be right now, as of today, the best time ever to get into wholesaling real estate. And I believe most people this is August, right? You've squandered your opportunity already. You've just been sitting around, kind of, I'm trying to get a little bit of wholesaling in here. I'm not going to go too crazy. And then I'm cold calling a little, but like, I'm not like taking it seriously. Like, I know you have a full-time job. I get it's hard, but if you can just heed my warning, if you are going to go all in, it's not going to be 2 or 3 years from now once kid number 2 is the other way and you get married. It's going to be worse. You're going to have less time for yourself. Just telling you the truth. And the worst part is if your job, I don't know, like we're having a conversation. I don't know what job you have, but if heaven forbid, right, knock on wood, this doesn't happen. I pray this doesn't happen for you guys, but let's say you work as a operations supply chains analyst, or you're an analyst for a company, and they decide the AI analyst is what we need. We were going to cut analysts by half, and we don't need them anymore. Or this is crazy, but like coders, let's say you're in IT or you're in coding, and they decide, this new Fable 5 is really good. We're going to cut coders by half. Meta's already done this. We have AI coders now, or half of them is going to be AI coders. Guess what happens? You're without a job. And you're like, dang, that company just snipped me off pretty quick, and now I don't have a job. It's hard to find a job, and I need this money. And this is a pretty bad situation, and I have 2 kids. You might have felt, you know what, maybe I should have took that wholesaling real estate thing a little more serious. maybe it would have sucked a little bit, but now I have a business making 60 grand a month. I don't have to worry about that. Guys, wholesaling real estate is not the side hustle that could turn to a main hustle. It's at this point, it is your insurance policy for if AI, guys, I don't know what's going to happen with AI. I do not have a 100% answer. But the only thing I know for a fact is AI is going to be more implemented in today's society than it was last year. And AI is getting physical. Like the physical AI robots are coming. That's all I know. How's that going to play out? I don't know. I see people being laid off with AI. I see it happen all the time because that's all. Remember, the people being laid off of AI right now is because AI is digital from a screen and a server. When you start connecting to robots, who knows how that's going to work, right? All I know from my 26 years of experience on this earth is technology only gets better and exponentially better. And what I can infer is it might go it might not be best. Some crazy stuff might happen. And when crazy stuff in the world happens, you got 9/11, 2008, right? People thought 2012 was going to be the end of the world, right? All these things, COVID, right? Those are all crazy things that happened. Did it end the world? No. But a lot of disruption. And a lot of people sometimes lost their jobs because of those things. It's better to be prepared if that happens by making a lot of money wholesaling than not. And the only thing that is going to protect you from some craziness happening financially is to just make stupid amount of boatloads of money wholesaling real estate. Because I know a robot can't buy a $400,000 house. They got no money. You know, a corporation has to have the money, which are your landlords, your hedge funds, right? Your flippers that are actually making money flipping houses. Yeah. So yeah, I would bet on real estate doing a lot better than being a coder or graphic designer. So AI is turning physical. This is my plea for everybody, my warning. Just get serious wholesaling real estate. Like, actually understand what I'm explaining to you. A lot of people, and it's shocking to me. My wife's awesome, right? She's same age as me, right? And I was hanging out with her friends the other day, and they're all like between the ages of like 22 and like 30. And they're just like regular people my age, right? None of them. They just work regular. None of them. Absolutely zero of them have any concern about AI or the future. They're just living their life. Whatever, things are great. They don't have any idea. They've never seen a Tesla robot. They've never seen an Optimus robot. Like no one understands this. It's concerning how many people don't understand what's happening right now. And again, this isn't a political statement. This is just a statement saying, get your ducks in a row. Let's start making money wholesaling real estate. And worst case scenario, you get serious about wholesaling and you don't make any money and something crazy happens. At least you tried your best. Best case scenario, something happens, but it's not bad. You're making 30 grand a month on the side of wholesaling and you keep your job. Wow. Zach's a terrible guy for that. Screw Zach for telling me that. Or worst case scenario, you're making 10 grand a month wholesaling, you lose your job, you're making 10 grand a month wholesaling and you're fine. And you can get through whatever hard times. That's the decision to be making this video. I would rather one person get absolutely serious and change their life, and statistically thousands of people are going to watch this video. It's just the truth. Again, no ego involved. I have great followers on the Zachin channel. Thousands of people are going to watch this video. Statistically, 1 out of 1,000 of the thousands of people is going to lose their job due to AI in the next 5 years. So this should strike somebody watching this. It's going to happen to you. Take my warning. Let's make some money wholesaling real estate. Let's have some success. Guys, if you don't learn how to wholesale real estate, go to my link below, freewholesaling.com. Get serious. Get started in this business. Don't regret it. Let's get rich, successful wholesaling real estate. Got any value from this video? Do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zachin signing out. Have a blessed one.